Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can perform the hard reset of your Marshall Minor 3. So first of all, you have to remember to input left and the right earbud inside the charging case and then open this cover. Next, we have to click and hold this button for at least 10 seconds and just take a look for the indicator. So let's do this right now. Click and hold and take a look for the indicator. You can also take a look for the connection status on your phone. As you can see right now, it disappears. Okay, and right now we can release that button. Right now, when we are going to move them to the pairing mode by using the same button, but hold until this indicator turns blue. And when we try to connect our buds from the saved devices, as you can see, we got the new pairing request. So it means that we successfully restore all default settings. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.